sports and nutrition. We have subtopics: balanced diet and nutrition, macro and micronutrients, nutritive and non-nutritive components of diet, eating for weight control, a healthy weight, the pitfalls of dieting, food intolerance, and food myths. Here we have balanced diet. Balanced diet meaning, we can see here, a balanced diet consists of different types of food and sufficient amount of nutrient for the development of the human body. Second one, a complete food diet contains adequate amount of all the necessary nutrients required for proper growth and maintenance of body. In other words, we can say a diet which contains the proper amount of each nutrient, example like carbohydrate, fat, protein, etc., is called balanced diet. In fact, most health authorities today recommend 80% nutrition and 20% exercise as the ultimate fitness mantra. We can see after the meaning, this is dependent on the feeling of well-being, which in turn in slowly the result of. In this slide you can see balanced diet. You can see left hand side they have given the pyramid, what are the food required for healthy balanced diet, and right side you can see the percentage amount of fruit and vegetables. They are given in the different colors. 40% fruit and vegetable required, 25% fiber rich carbohydrates required. You can see protein also required equal amount, is 25%, and we require only 10% of fats. Just make you understand for this graph, the balanced diet we have made here. You can see the left hand side healthy balanced diet chart in the different color. You can see whatever food contents required for a balanced diet, and middle you can see the pyramid, what type of food and how much calories required. Right side you can see balanced diet and what benefits we have from balanced diet. Benefits of balanced diet: number one, helps in weight control, prevents illness, keeps you energized, boosts immune system, support heart health. Nutrition. Meaning of nutrition. Nutrition is a dynamic process in which the body is made healthy by the consumption of food. Meaning, in other words, nutrition is the process of obtaining and consuming food or breaking down food substances in the energy according to our body needs. In other words, we can say nutrition means getting the right amount of nutrient from food by a living organism for his or her bodily functions like maintenance, growth, reproduction, health, and disease of. In this slide we can see goal of nutrition: stay hydrated, provide immediate fuel, boost performance, preserve muscles, improve recovery. In the right hand side you can see major nutrient of food, just we have given in the picture. You can see from the right hand side protein, minerals, water, raws, vitamins, carbohydrates, macro and micronutrients. You can see the meaning of micronutrients and macronutrients. Macronutrients mainly include carbohydrates, proteins and fats, and also water, which are required in large quantities, and their main function being the release of energy in. We can see here we require in daily life macronutrients in the large Macro means large quantity required for our body. Now we move to micronutrients. Macro means small amount of nutrient required for our body. Macronutrients mainly comprise vitamins and minerals, which are required in minute quantities. All the chemicals reactions inside our body are added by vitamins and minerals. You can see here components of diet listed down here. Macro, you can see carbohydrate, fats and protein. In the flow chart you can see right inside micro, so vitamins, macronutrients. We will just discuss here regarding carbohydrate, protein and fats. We'll start with the carbohydrate. The most important fuel source, carbohydrates, are found in fruits, vegetables, pastas, breads, cereals, rice and milk products. Carbohydrates should provide about 60% to 70% of your daily calories. Our body converts the sugars and starches in carbohydrates to energy, that is called glucose, or stores it in the liver and muscles tissues, that is called glycogen, that gives endurance and power for high intensity and short duration. Second one is protein. Proteins are found in meats, fish, poultry, eggs, beans, nuts, dairy products and other foods. Proteins should provide approximately 12% to 15% of your daily calories. Proteins give your body power to build new tissues and fluids, play a vital role in growth and development of human body. Your body cannot store extra protein, so it burns it for energy or converts it to fat. The amount of protein an athlete needs depends on the level of fitness, exercise type, intensity and duration, total daily calories required and carbohydrates. Now here we will discuss about fats. Fats. Saturated fats comes from animal-based foods such as meats, eggs, milk and cheese. Unsaturated fats are found in vegetable products such as corn oil. Fat should provide no more than about 20% to 30% of daily calories. Your body needs small amounts of fat for certain critical functions and as an alternative energy source to glucose. But eating too much fat is associated with heart disease, certain cancer types and micronutrients. We have vitamins and minerals. We will discuss first vitamins. What are things comes under vitamins? Vitamins generally fall into two categories. Fat-soluble vitamins such as vitamin A, D, E and K, and water-soluble vitamins such as the B group vitamins and vitamin C. Vitamins are known as micronutrients because only small quantity is required for a healthy diet. Fat-soluble vitamins needs fat in food to get absorbed, but water-soluble vitamins are digested with the help of water. Now we move to minerals. What does mean and what comes under minerals? Minerals are very essential in our diet. 4% of our body weight is made up of minerals. These are required for healthy teeth, bones and muscles. It is also used by body for various activities such as transmission of nerve impulses, formation of hormones and maintenance of heart. Now here we will discuss about one by one and the vitamins. Vitamin A. Vitamin A is found in some animal foods such as milk, eggs, liver and fish liver oils. It is also found in vegetables such as cabbage, broccoli, carrot and spinach. Vitamin A is essential for the proper functioning of the retina in the eye and the epithelial tissues. Lack of vitamin A results in dry and rough skin, inflammation of the eyes, drying or scarring of the cornea, xerophthalmia, which occurs when the secretion of lubricating tears is stopped. Night blindness also occurs due to deficiency of vitamin A. Now we move to vitamin D. Vitamin D is responsible for increasing intestinal absorption of calcium, magnesium, and phosphate. It acts as a hormone when converted by enzymes in the gut and liver into an active form of vitamin D, which stimulates epithelial cells in the intestine to absorb calcium. Therefore, it is essential in growing children's diets to enable the growth of strong bones. Deficiency of vitamin D can develop rickets, which is the deformation of. In this slide, we have vitamins K, C, and B. Vitamin K, polyquinone, is found in dark green leafy vegetables such as spinach and kale. It is a fat-soluble vitamin which is involved in the clotting process of blood. Without vitamin K, cuts fail to heal and internal bleeding can occur. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a water-soluble vitamin known chemically as ascorbic acid. It is found in citrus fruits such as oranges and lemons, also in potatoes and tomatoes. The main function of vitamin C is the formation of connective tissues such as collagen. It is also known to be an antioxidant which helps to remove toxins from the body and aids the immune system. Vitamin B. Vitamin B groups have a wide range of role acting as coenzymes in metabolic pathways. They are found in most plant and animal tissues involved in metabolism. Therefore, foods such as liver, yeast, and dairy products are all rich in B group vitamins. Deficiency of B group vitamins includes dermatitis, fatigue, and malformation of. Now here we discuss about minerals. You can see here down. First is calcium. Calcium is a major constituent of bones and teeth and keeps the bones strong. Good sources of calcium are dairy products, eggs, and green vegetables. Chlorine. Chlorine is required to maintain the osmotic action, balance of the body, and the formation of HCl in the stomach. It is found in common salt. Sodium. Sodium is also found in table salt as well as dairy foods, meat, eggs, and vegetables. Potassium. Potassium is yet another mineral required in nerve and muscles action. It has role in protein synthesis. It is found in meat, fruit, and vegetables. Phosphorus, form of phosphate, is a constituent of nucleic acid, ATP, phospholipids in cell membranes, bone, and teeth. It is present in dairy foods, eggs, meat. We continue with minerals. Magnesium. Magnesium is an important component of bones and teeth and is also an enzyme activator. It is found in meat and green vegetables. Iron. Iron. Forms of Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus are required in the formation of hemoglobin and myoglobin. Iron is found in fresh meat, liver, and green vegetables. Iron supplements are taken by people who suffer from anemia. Iodine. Iodine It is a component of the growth hormone thyroxine. A lack of iodine in one's diet can cause hyperthyroidism, which results in weight gain and, in extreme cases, a lack of physical and mental development known as creatinism. A swelling of the neck can occur, which is called goiter, if iodine is deficient in the diet. Iodine can be found in seafood such as shellfish, seaweeds, and fish. Next is copper, magnesium, and cobalt. Copper, magnesium, and cobalt are all needed in the diet to form cofactors of enzymes. Copper is needed for bone and hemoglobin formation, and cobalt is needed for the production of red blood cells. Manganese is also a growth factor in bone development. They are found in meat and liver as well as dietary fibers. It is a type of complex carbohydrate made up of plant material that cannot be digested by the human body. It is mainly present in leaves, skins, roots, and seeds. Processing and refining foods remove almost all the natural fiber. The main source of fiber are whole grain cereals, breads, fruits. Now, next one, we have water. Diet must provide water, which is required as a solvent, a transport medium, a substrate in hydrolytes reactions, and for lubrication. Water, in fact, makes up about 70% of the total body weight of humans. Water is needed as it is lost constantly from our bodies through urine, sweat, evaporation from lungs, and in feces. An average person requires 2 to 3 liters of water a day, which is supplied through drinks